Hi viewers, welcome to Mantan TV. Today we are with CAK HANMANDLOO sir. Today's topic is artificial intelligence. It's a vast topic, the very big topic. Sir, good morning sir.
Good morning.
Sir, artificial intelligence. We
Yes.
have done many topics on this.
Yes,
So again, what is artificial intelligence sir?
artificial intelligence is furthering, expanding the services.
Services or a project?
Services,
Yeah.
expanding services of usages with innovation, creativity, and with less people intervention,
Yeah, yes.
less people into automatic. That is most important. Artificial intelligence is automatic information technology. We can say like that. So, in that sector, of the information technology service, in that sector, many companies have shown successful performance, and that includes
It has provided tech services also sir?
yes,
Oh,
tech services. What are the tech services? I'll tell you. Tech services outsourcing market, general AI applications, and summarization, snippet revival, తర్వాత productivity and innovation,
and HR management also sir?
HR management, large luggage model. All these are services available, services quality improved because of artificial intelligence.
And what are the fastest growing products in the artificial intelligence?
See, every product artificial intelligence, until now we have seen ChatGPT, and many softwares are coming in the market using artificial intelligence.
And there are some companies like Wipro, LTI and Mindtree.
See, all these companies, software production companies,
Okay.
software services companies, they need support of
The
services companies.
Services companies. Yeah.
Services companies are this ServiceNow company.
Okay.
One company example, ServiceNow company has realized I don't know, $20 million profit because by using artificial intelligence,
Okay.
general AI usage. Its productivity has improved and improved or reduced the cost. And one more company is Now Assist company. It offers virtual agent service, customer support service, customer service management service, HR service delivery service, ITO and PS management service, field service management, strategic portfolio management, artificial intelligence research. All these are helping the company to improve its performance. And Wipro and LTI, Mindtree is also using the services of these artificial intelligence companies. Maybe Now Assist or Now Assist company, ServiceNow company. These companies are helping the top large companies of Wipro and Mindtree companies with integration of their service, with integration of their services as agents, virtual agents, as integration of virtual agents with Wipro company, Mindtree company teams, technical teams, which include services of password resetting, settlement, laptop usages, and all these are used. All these are helped by the service companies to large software companies. And with this, the service request reduced from 40% to 25% in the large software companies. The small services companies are handling 16,000 requests a month, and this is by using 50% of less cost. And I mean number of cases settlement. We can say troubleshooter. It is a solution.
Okay.
Solution to our problem, and all these are provided by the small companies. Because of this timely and fast service, the problems of the large software companies has been reduced, and that reduces their cost by 50%. Otherwise, there should have been delay. The person should have been asked to go there and verify the software, and all these things should happen. But because of this service sector, especially the service sector companies in information AI tools with AI tools. That is helping the Indian companies to provide fast service. And as far as India is concerned, India is a leader for information technology services for the whole world. And all these service companies are working with thin margins, means cost to cost, nearly
Yes,
cost,
sir.
very small margins only they are doing,
Yeah.
because their expenses are very less. The
Very less.
application of mind is important.
Yeah.
The cost is very less, but application of mind will give more results. So that is helping.
And what are the benefit of this artificial intelligence, sir? Mainly.
Artificial intelligence will reduce the time, improve the perfection, and correct also.
Okay.
Duplication will reduce. Suppose I told you one letter has to be sent to all employees. Give the format of letter and give the names of the people whom do you want to send. By just using artificial intelligence tool, you will get all the letters with individual names of the employees. It will go to employee.
Okay.
Earlier we used to get every letter separately with names, and now it is not required. Even sorting is also not required, and that is the support of artificial intelligence. And code completion, summarization, all these are the supports the software companies, and that will reduce the cost by more than 50%. And also this software AI tool will write the code itself. Earlier the code has to be written by experts,
Yes, sir.
software
Mainly
developers.
The olden days.
Oh, yes.
I mean, last
software
billion.
developers to program or to write the program, and that will be implemented. But this artificial intelligence tools will create program, itself will implement the program, itself will give the byproduct and
It's
product.
a type of tool, sir, right?
Yes, that is a tool that will reduce the time and duplication of work. Everything will reduce.
And what is this LLM, sir?
LLM is large language model. Some companies are specialized in large language model. That is companies that important company in that is ServiceNow company.
Okay.
Research and Hugging Faces.
There are some 80 programming languages in that, sir.
Yes, all these programs are used by this services company, ServiceNow company. All these companies are using the artificial intelligence technology, and Indian employees represent 20% of ServiceNow global workforce.
Okay.
And out of total 100 employees of the ServiceNow company, 20% are only from India.
Okay.
Even from India also, Hyderabad also center having major share of employees who are working for ServiceNow.
Okay.
And 40% of global services of ServiceNow company, engineering is done from India.
Okay.
Means 40% of its employees are 20%, but the product developed is 40%.
Okay.
That is the strength of ServiceNow company in India itself.
And it did 85% of the employees are engineers, it seems, sir. Is it true, sir?
Yes, they have ServiceNow is one of the biggest, one of the popular company in AI tools, and 85% of its employees are engineers and entrepreneurs. Employees are engineers and developers, and more than 40% of our global product engineering is done from India. Already told that. Graphic processing units. One more company. Graphic processing units also are successful in the local markets as well as global markets. This is the latest technology, global graphics processing unit, and that is also important tool being used with the help of artificial intelligence to provide fast and perfect service to the major software companies and also to other companies. So this is the advantage of artificial intelligence, which is giving a lot of opportunities for who is having capacity of smart capabilities.
Yes, sir.
Innovation, creativity, capabilities. So it is better to go for employment as a developer,
So
but
that
not as a support. Service. So that section, while selecting employment itself, it is better to go for development. There will be more opportunities in development sector rather than less
Service.
opportunities in service.
service sector.
These are the advantages of artificial intelligence that will help to improve the smart work. The most important thing.